connect the smart lock with your phone, you need to go to the setting, star hash, your password. Option number 3. Again option number 3. Option number 1. Then you need to go to your phone. Open Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then go to Tuya Smart app. 8 device. Sensors. Sensor Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Change from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi mode. Confirm the indicator is blinking. Blink quickly. Select your Wi-Fi. Next. It's connected. Now when you ring the bell, you will get a notification. Here. With a picture. Yes.